Hi again. Today I'm here with a very special unboxing of our first exotic leather Hermes bag. So this is a Mini Kelly in matte alligator, and the color is Gris Ciment. Let's get to it. So here's the bag. As you can see, it's gray. Gris Ciment again is the color, and this is matte or Mississippian's alligator, sourced from the United States, as you might guess from the name. One of the differences of the Mississippi alligator versus, let's say, the crocodile is that the scales are smoother and you don't see the pores in them, and it just has more of a smooth finish. And one of the characteristics of Hermes bags and alligator is that the scales are larger in the middle, and you can see as you go out to the side of the bag, they get smaller. So pretty cool. Silver hardware, which goes well with the gray. And one of the things that surprised me is how smooth that the scales feel. I thought there would be more of a rougher, grainier feel, but to make the matte finish, the Hermes artisans actually rub a wool cloth repeatedly over the scales to smooth them out. So along with that matte finish comes the smoothness from the rubbing of that wool cloth, which is pretty neat. With alligator or matte alligator, you want to stay away from oils because they can leave permanent stains on the bag. That's different from shiny finish, which you want to stay away from water. So keep that in mind. Other than that, it is your standard Mini Kelly bag, 20 centimeters length, 14 centimeters height, and 6 centimeters deep. One of the hallmarks of exotic leather bag is the stamp. So let me go show you that right now. So you can see right here by the Hermes stamp is a square, and that square indicates that this is a Mississippi alligator bag. I believe there are also equal stamps and circle stamps for crocodile and other sourced scales. So that's how you can identify them. The bag comes with a site certificate, which indicates the origin of the crocodile or alligator, origin of the leather, basically country of origin, when it was produced, and when it was exported. So if you travel internationally with this bag, you will need the site certificate. Certain countries, especially in Asia, do require an additional certification, which you can call for and request a copy through the information on the site certificate. So other than this, there is also a strap that I'll show you really quickly. And as you would imagine, that strap is also in alligator with matching hardware. And you can see the stitches are a nice matching tone as well. And inside the strap also has a matching square stamp. So pretty excited. I know that the Mississippi alligator matte alligator is definitely a popular combination with the Mini Kelly. So really surprised to be offered this, and definitely very excited. So in the US, as of March 2025, a Mini Kelly in matte alligator retails for $40,400. And that is about a 10% increase from 2024, when it was about $36,000. So pretty significant increase, unfortunately for us, in 2025. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.